Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Mortal Kombat 11 on your PC. The process is pretty simple, but there are a few things that you need to know before you can actually get the game. So for this tutorial, we'll use the browser version of Steam instead of installing Steam first. The steps are almost the same as using the application, so you can follow this process and use it there as well. So start by opening your browser and searching for Steam. Go to the official Steam website, then sign into your account or create one if needed. Once you're logged in, use the search bar and look for Mortal Kombat 11. Open the game page and check the current price. Remember, this is a paid game, although the price can sometimes change during sales. Now, click Add to Cart, proceed to checkout, choose an available payment method, and complete your purchase. After that, open your Steam library, select Mortal Kombat 11, and click Install. Follow the instructions, wait for the download to finish, and you'll be ready to launch the game. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.